Professional paintless dent repair (PDR) techniques work for both beginners, fixing small door dings, and experienced technicians, repairing larger panel damage. The focus is on achieving flawless dent removal without repainting, using methods commonly taught in professional training programs and repair tutorials. The process starts with reading the metal, using reflection tools like line boards or LED lights to accurately identify lows, highs, crowns, and tension areas. Proper surface preparation follows, including cleaning with isopropyl alcohol, masking edges, and using window guards to prevent accidental damage while gaining tool access. Controlled heat application helps maintain paint flexibility and restores metal memory, reducing the risk of cracking, especially important for aluminum panels. When rear access isn't available, glue pulling is essential. Success depends on correct tab selection, glue strength matched to temperature, and pulling in the right direction. Technicians must also choose the correct pulling tools, such as bridge lifters for precision or slide hammers for releasing tight tension. Before major pushes or pulls, professionals relieve crown tension using knockdowns and tap hammers to prevent overstretching. For direct access repairs, precision pushing with rods and whale tails ensures smooth metal movement. Cold glue is highlighted as a fast solution for large, shallow dents or slightly dirty panels. Expert results come from careful finishing, cross-check multiple lighting angles, blend highs, cool panels, clean glue residue, polish, and verify factory shape. High-quality tools and ongoing training are emphasized as key to mastering modern PDR standards. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.